Hello everyone, welcome to ESL Teaching Tips. In this video, Kristi will demonstrate how you can create a Canvas quiz quickly and efficiently. Let's watch.
Hello. Canvas quizzes are a great way to give students retrieval practice. In other words, for them to check their understanding and to practice whatever you're teaching so that it comes more quickly back to their memory. So if you're like me, you probably find it quite tedious to create a Canvas quiz, however, because it takes a lot of copying and pasting. Well, here is a quicker way to create a Canvas quiz using a Canvas quiz converter. So here's the tool, the Canvas Exam Converter, also known as a QTI converter. You can see the URL provided here. When I scroll down, it explains to me how I need to format the questions. So for multiple choice, how to format the questions, multiple answers, short answer, fill in the blank, true, false, and so on. So I have a file ready with some questions, multiple choice questions for a vocabulary quiz that I've created with a little help from ChatGPT. And these vocabulary words are from texts read in class and from the academic word list. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy these questions and I'll be pasting them in. Okay, I need to make sure not to leave any extra spaces at the end. And I'll go back to the site, the converter. I've already added in a title and points per question. And I'm going to paste in the formatted exam questions in the box. And then what I'll need to do is check for syntax errors. And it says there are no errors, but sometimes it will tell you that you have an extra line break before or after the question, so you'll just want to take out any line breaks. But I see there are no errors found. And so I'm going to go ahead and select Convert to Canvas QTI file, the red button. And now I see that I have a zipped folder. I'm going to go ahead and choose to save that to my desktop. Going back to the site, you will see the instructions for uploading the file to quizzes in your course. You're going to go to your Canvas course, click the Import Existing Content button on the home page, or select Import Course Content on the course settings page, browse to that zipped file, and then import. Okay, so let's give that a try. So here I am in my Canvas course. I'm going to select Import Existing Content, content type, and here is where I'm looking for the bottom option, QTI zip file. I'm going to browse to my desktop to find that zipped file. Here it is, QTI vocabulary quiz. I'm going to import, and I see it's completed. So now my next step is to go to my quizzes and check it out.
Thank you so much, Kristi, for sharing your knowledge with us. I hope everyone will give this amazing tool a try. Thank you.